2 cups of macaroni, 1 chopped carrot, onion, 2 tsp of spring onion, 1 chopped tomato, 2 slit of green chilies, and some chopped coriander leaves. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pasta masala, half tsp of turmeric powder, and half tsp of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tsp of corn flour. Heat an utensil and add 2 to 3 glasses of water. When water is boiling, add macaroni. Heat dye and add 2 tsps of oil. Add chopped onion. Add ginger garlic paste. Add green chilies. Add chopped tomato. Add chopped carrot. Stir fry. Add all spices. Give a quick mix. Macaroni is cooked well. Strain them. Roast masala well. Add boiled macaroni. Mix them well. Add green chili sauce. Add red chili sauce. Add soy sauce. Add vinegar. Mix them nicely. Add chopped spring onion. Mix it. Add some water in corn flour and mix. Add corn flour slurry. Add chopped coriander leaves. Macaroni is done. Turn off flame. Tasty masala macaroni is ready. Time to serve masala macaroni. Enjoy tasty and spicy macaroni when it is hot. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.